Hello everyone, this is Michael from Yugioh EST and I'm bringing you guys a new video. So this is now post Danish Nationals and I decided to record a vlog of the whole trip along with Alla, Davi and Sigvar. We went to Denmark for the Danish Yugioh Nationals this year and yeah. So before we dive into this video, I will let you know that we already recorded the vlog, and since it's a little bit shorter, I'm gonna incorporate this part, go into the vlog, and then back to here where I give my thoughts about the whole tournament and so on. But yeah, without further ado, let's jump right into the video, shall we? Yo, what's up people? This is your boy Michael from the Estonian Yugioh community. I have decided to make a short vlog of our Danish national trip. This is a trip with our own Alla, Davi and Sigvar. Today I'm gonna show them around our Danish local stores, but before that I'm gonna show them some cool Danish tourist attractions. So, how are you guys doing?
One caramel latte and egg and bacon sandwich cost me almost 16 euros. Almost. It was. So it's a bit more than I'm used to, but it's really good.
I will say though, because this is more of a flagship coffee shop, they tend to sell a bit more. More local ones, usually they do a bit cheaper regarding the. It's like we also have like 7-Eleven that does the same type of coffee, like but you have Circle K or something like that, and that's it. So this will be a question asked from Voldemort. He is explaining how are you all going to do for the tournament? What's your expectation for this tournament?
Top 32.
Top 32?
That's it.
Is there a top 32 even? I think there's top 16.
I think there was gonna be a top 16 after 8 rounds, but top 32 get the invites and play mats and the sleeves and
Might be doable for all of us.
How's your expectation?
It's like a casino tomorrow, so might be top 8.
2 losses you can get.
top 32 I think so. Yeah.
What? Let's be stupidly confident and top 8.
They were asking me.
Yes.
No, I would be happy with top 32.
So Michael, and you?
Top 32 as well. Maybe I hope my deck list will be posted somewhere, and it's like such a weird, absurd deck list. Like, how is this? Has this happened?
Yeah, then Barba is going to make a video that what the fuck is this guy doing?
Yes, that's my expectation.
What's the spell card that is missing?
Dark Fusion.
You should
No,
you should play.
You're missing the someone from deck.
A hero league.
I don't know. For your Dark Assault, it was weird. I don't know. Evil Assault.
Evil Assault.
Yeah, you're missing that one.
You should have as your metaphor against Malice when they make access code. You take attack when they attack. Magical cylinder.
So, you lied to us. You said you're a coffee addict, but we're in a coffee shop. I don't see any coffee.
Yeah, because
What's up?
I like drip coffee, like pour over. Pour over just black coffee, like filter coffee. I like specialty ones. Like I'm not the biggest fan of like usually what they sell at coffee shops are like a lot of Brazilian or Colombian coffees that tend to be a lot of times like very like nuggety or chocolatey. And I like really like the like really floral specialty ones.
But filter.
What?
But filter.
Yes. Like,
So, give us a showcase of what you pull for participation.
Not for much. Just 3 super airs and 1 quarter.
Let's go.
That's why I was always layers. The first pull,
Let's go.
this one, the best pull ever. Actually looks good. Nothing. Okay, Alar got QCR before us, so we were kind of screwed. But QCR from entry pack is insane.
Maybe look lucky on my side. Or that was it.
Top 16.
Last back magic. Or this guy has been lying to me that he hasn't played Yugioh.
Oh.
Fuck me.
is it worth much, right?
Probably not.
Is it worth it?
Then Michael will play the best cards.
Pull the best card. No.
My turn.
Yeah.
Let's see what we got.
Oh, there are public ones.
Decide to drop out.
I'm gonna use this shit.
I'm not gonna use anything. I have squares on my.
Oh, you pulled the card I don't have. I need this.
Till it's cool, just cool, into the mouth. Nice.
Yeah, I get the QCR. He doesn't want it. He wants the Regini.
I got 3 coded lectures. I feel like this guy is maybe worth something.
That's
Yeah,
just
it's
cool.
something, but
Another Regini.
is it shiny except for this card? Yeah, I might take it off you if it's moved. Because I'm slowly and gradually building shiny cards.
Virginia's the dragon. Okay. Okay. So finally,
I'll just put that spell card right in here. it fits right in.
Right.
Well, are you happy?
Yeah. I'll put depth in somewhere.
Davi's more happy than
It fits right there. It's just like the missing piece of the puzzle.
Let's go.
I already got one card I wanted.
Quickly, I want to show you guys the venue that we are at. So we are at Marienlyst Football Sports Center, and they rented out the whole football gym to do all the tournaments. So the setting is like this, plenty of space and air, so it's pretty nice, considering there might be 177 players. So throughout this tournament, I'm gonna try and, if I manage to finish the games, go around, ask Allah, Davi and Sigvar how their run went and so on. So that concludes round one. We got Allah that won his game. We got Allah that won his game. Davi won his game. Sigvar lost his game. I lost my game too. So here's the match review. How are you feeling after first round?
No, it was like I won Dyro, and then I drew 3 Mocharmis, so I pass. And then on his turn, I go draw face Perulia, and then he cross outs it. And then later on, I do Fuvalos against White Forest. I draw 2. They were engine, and then he could just go to battle phase and attack me. I couldn't really do anything. Cross out was that was fine, but then the second game I drew Sword, Harpy's Feather Storm, Gamma, and then cross out, Triple Tactics Talent, and then the only card I lose to in the game is Imperm, and I normal summon Sword, and he had Imperm. If there's anything else, like Ash or whatever, I get to go Tactics, draw 2, it's fine. Or I get to cross out.
Unlucky. Better luck next round. How is your morale still high, or?
No, it's fine.
Good? Ready for the next? How are you feeling after round one?
Pretty okay. Good wake up call.
Ready?
Did some misplays, but managed to do it.
Comfortable win?
Yeah. Pretty okay. Yeah, Dragon Looter Denpai. What the hell?
Let's hope you get a feature match if you want. I don't know. Are you looking
Do you get something for
to
it?
be on feature?
But yeah, I hope. Activate Dark Fusion to feature.
Okay, next round is about to start. I'll try to get review of the other games later. So Allah, how is your morale after the first 2 rounds of Swiss? This is Swiss, right?
Yeah, it's good at the moment because I've seen mermaids, heroes, Melissa, and Burani at the first big table, 1 to 9.
So the tournament has gone on your favor currently, yeah? Yeah. How are you doing? How are you feeling
I won.
after the last game?
No, I won. It was fine, but it was not really. It was a returning player, so he played with his old cards. So it was not really a question.
It was a squash match.
He was super nice. He was trying to teach his stepfather's son, like asked him how to play it, and like he's trying to play and figure it out himself and teaching him how to play. Because I think they have Dragon Tools here as well.
So yeah, Davi is still playing. We are waiting for his result. Still 40 seconds left of the second round. So yeah. So that concludes our trip here in Denmark and end of nationals. How are you guys feeling after your first time being here in Denmark?
I don't know, it was great. Michael's parents were really, really nice, and I guess the Yugioh players were really nice as well. They were kind, and the Germans were maybe a bit more toxic, but not too bad. But it was really great. Just gotta get better at the game.
Yeah, it
How did you feel about the top 16?
how do I what?
How did you feel about getting top 16?
Yeah, it's great. It's great. I didn't expect it. Wanted only the invite in top 32. But
head reisijad, palun asetage käsikorras laevapani paika ja isiklikud esemed, näiteks sülearvutikott, poekott ja seljakott teie ees.
And we are back to where we started. I hope you enjoyed the mini vlog that I managed to compile together with this video. Got a lot of not enough footage to make a whole video about the vlog, but I hope you enjoyed the amount that I managed to record. Without further ado, let's dive right into the points. So for me, it's been 10 years since my last official Yu-Gi-Oh tournament, and I learned a lot. Things have changed since then, with time ruling and especially time rules mostly, but I have adapted to that since I've been back playing locals here in Estonia. So not so much about that, but some other rule thing that I did not know about that I will go more into when I give you guys advice if you guys are attending your first official Yu-Gi-Oh tournament. So yeah, how was the tournament? So I would say the tournament, it was a fun tournament. My expectation for the tournament, I expected to be a bit higher than where I ended up being. My expectation was to be win above half of the rounds I played. So we ran 8 rounds of Swiss, and I managed to only pick up 2 wins, and sadly the rest of the rounds I did not manage to capture more wins than that. Even then, I had a lot of fun, learned a lot about the different decks that people brings to the tournaments, and different strategy, different approaches, and I got to speak with a lot of the player after the game, and yeah, it was a lot of fun. But what really was nice was having Alla, Davi and Sigva in Denmark, showing them around my own home country and giving them a little bit of my own culture to them. And I hope if you guys are watching, Alla, Davi and Sigva, that you enjoy the trip. And yeah, I feel like we bonded quite a lot beside practicing, and beside practicing leading up to the game, we also hung out and chatted about daily life and stuff, and we shared food, celebrated Allah for reaching top 16, and yeah, even though Allah only expected to hit the top 32 to get the invite for the Europeans, he did better than expected, so congratulations to you. This is a big milestone. This is a huge thing. Tips. So next up, tips for new player. Okay, let me restart. My afterthought is after competing, having a taste of competitive Yu-Gi-Oh again, I quite much enjoyed it. I wished I put a bit more time and preparation before the tournament, put maybe extra hours into practice, and maybe that my deck could have been more thought of, but overall, I enjoyed it very much, and I would like to attend more of these official Yu-Gi-Oh tournaments with the rest of the crew. 5 cents of advice for you is enjoy the time. It's gonna be a long day for you, especially for us. We played 8 rounds of Swiss, consisting of 45 minutes, so it's gonna be a long day, so be prepared with a lot of water and food. Keep yourself hydrated and fed. Any other advice? Yeah, remember to bring extra set of sleeve and oversleeve if you're using them. What I discovered from this tournament from previous, the last time I competed, is that the judges currently what they're doing after doing a round is that after a game point, when players have sided in their side card, they will go around the table, take a look at the deck if there's any defection. With defection I mean side deck usually is maybe used less, so they are less scratch and then less scratched than the main deck. So the judges actually do come after a game in a round and check for your deck if there's any defection with the new side card that you have sided in with the main deck, and check if there's anything that looks different. And if they manage to find something that is a defect, and maybe they assume it's a way for you to be able to cheat to get maybe the proper hand trap that you want for the matchup, they can actually give you a loss penalty for that, and I don't think you would like to have that as your round ender. So yeah, just bring yourself an extra set of regular sleeve and oversleeve if you're using them as well. Yeah, with that said, I don't think I have any more advice. Yeah, thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If any of this helped you guys, please comment down below. Hit subscribe if you want more content, and maybe also the bell notification so you get notice when we drop a new video. Thank you. Bye bye.